And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these sport lids for a Hydroflask. These are wide mouth sport lids. They'll work with an 18, 20, 32, 40, or 64 ounce Hydroflask bottle. And they even are nice enough to seal them, so that way you know nobody's gotten into these. So we'll coat this. And then we have 2 of these wide mouth lids. So as you can see, they would screw right on to your Hydroflask bottle, any of those size, 18, 20, 32, 40, or 64. You have a nice handle here. This is actually metal, so shouldn't break or anything like that. And then this nicely unscrews so that you're able to protect your bottle contents at all times. Drink your water, and then when you're done, you're able to just tighten it back on and carry it on the go. You get 2 of these in here, perfect for if you have more than 1 bottle, or of course, if you and your significant other each have a Hydroflask bottle. So thanks again to this company for sending me these wide mouth sport bottle lids for the Hydroflask. And thank you all for watching this demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.